to my YouTube channel. It's a girl, nele.Shongwe, and I'm back with another vlog. And it's a messy vlog. Honestly speaking, it's a whole messy vlog, and there's gonna be a part where in the vlog where I talk, where I just give you a short story time. But otherwise, it's a messy ass vlog, so I don't know what the vlog is gonna be about. I don't wanna lie. It's gonna be, oh my gosh, the sun is burning me. Look at my skin. I know I look ugly, guys. It's also December, and I haven't done my hair. The joke is on me, honestly speaking. Ndemi joke. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is gonna be part of my vlog, ne? But I'm not gonna mute it. I want you to hear me out, ne? Hear me out. I don't know what this is, ne? But so I told you guys I'm gonna be trying different wines, ne? And I tried a certain Vlog.Trying. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you right now, and I'm trying to read. And it's called the special edition. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not, but it's called the Chenin Blanc. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But guys, do not try this. It's not okay. It tastes nasty, and from just the smell of it, you get drunk. It's not right. Here you go. Don't try this at home, guys. This thing, I don't know if you can see it properly, but I'm probably gonna do a video showing it to you all properly. So crazy. Chickens is gonna kill me for this, but guys, it's just that this thing tastes nasty, to be honest. And I don't know, like how it looks like white wine, but then there's just like, it's a little bit darker. You know how clear white wine is, but then it's like a little bit darker. I'm probably gonna do a video for that to show you how it looks. But guys, it's a 2-liter thing. It's a 2-liter box. Vlog.Trying. And honestly, for me, I'm drinking it like it's saying Yapuza, guys, because wow. Because the picture now, please. And I'm not gonna. Do you understand how much there's a lot. There's still a lot of this thing in here. And honestly, I can't get guys. I'm gay. And one thing about me when it comes to alcohol, I can share it, but if you're not there, you're not there. I'ma drink this thing. Like, trust me, that's how I drink it. I don't, anginambiti. Anginambiti, but what I do instead of forcing anginambiti, give it understand? And I don't think that's a nice way to drink alcohol. But like, I think some people like it, but for me, it was not good. It was nasty. I just didn't like it. Like, I just didn't understand. So guys, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I just wanted you all to know that I'm trying different ones, and I did not like one that I tried. Okay, I did not like one that I tried, and it only takes one glass for this thing to throw you off. You understand? So if you want to get drunk quick, you can buy it, but you have to understand that it tastes nasty. It's not nice, but it's coming on my sample. But anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the vlog. I don't even know when I'm gonna drop this vlog, because honestly, I have everything for it, but I just don't have the energy to edit it and upload it and stuff. I just don't feel like I have enough. So I'm trying to, someone commented and said, can we please have a 20 minutes vlog? And I was like, oh my god, babe, yes, you're gonna get it. So that's what I'm trying to do. And when I put that together, I'm like still 20 minutes. Oh. Understand? So I'm trying to put a 20 minutes vlog together. Oh guys, this is how it looks. I don't know if you can see it properly, but I hope you can. You see, it does not, it looks like white wine, but it looks like dirty white wine. Understand? Because white wine looks clear, like there's nothing that, like, it doesn't look like a looks like corner parts, but I don't know what it is, man. Kazimbi lento. Deep down in my soul. MP. She said, do you love me? I tell proudly. Hey guys, let me tell you a story, ne? So on Friday, I was going to Ross. I was going to write my life sciences exam, and guess what I saw? I don't remember. I think it was Brandon. Yes, I saw Brandon after a good 2 months after not seeing him. And guess what? Honestly, I don't know, but who? Cinderella Smurf. Wait, shit, I don't remember who Smurf was or Cinderella, but one of them is 9-man thing. And somebody said it was not my business, but like, you know me, I love indabas, guys. And when it comes to me dropping indabas, I don't mind, as long as it's not mine. But oh, and it's not Brandon's. I don't understand the guy I've been dealing with. I even remember the story that the guys going about the woman's woman conversation. That moment, I didn't even know what was happening. I think it's gonna be short, but I think I'm gonna involve it with my friend's story where we was ready to fight some girl, but like, I'm not sure. As long as I'm not drinking this wine, I'm definitely telling that story. But I'm on the